Hey guys! Look what just arrived!
What is that?
Look at that! Ecosphere Water Purifier. Let's check it out.
Yay.
What's inside?
Wait.
Okay. Okay. That's a manual. Okay. Hi guys, this Ecosphere Water Purifier just came in 3 days after I ordered it online, and here is my unboxing video. Let me check the manual. Okay, in the manual it says, okay, you will get one Ecosphere Water Purifier. You get 3-in-1 cartridge. You got this box of faucet adapter kit. Oh, that's so simple, right?
Yeah.
We used to have water filter with lots of gadgets inside, and you need someone to actually come and fix.
So let's open it up.
Yep.
Yes.
Let's do the unboxing.
Wow. It's so light, the cartridge.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's so light. And it's only one cartridge. Okay. This is a faucet adapter.
Oh, amazing.
Oh, it comes with 6 adapter head, and then it comes with a small wrench. And I got to know that the reason why they have this 6 faucet adapter head is to fit into different faucets, whichever your house faucet size is. I find that this water purification system is so complete and easy to assemble. It has a minimalistic, modern and clean design that's going to fit beautifully in my house kitchen. And that's the premium diverter head, which I'll explain towards the end of this video. This is the faucet adapter kit that comes with the wrench. First step is to prepare your home faucet. Remove your existing faucet aerator by twisting it counterclockwise and find the appropriate faucet adapter from the adapter kit. And then attach the new faucet and tighten it by using the wrench. Ensure the adapter fits firmly to avoid water leakage. And now you can attach the Ecosphere Water Purifier to your faucet. What's cool about the water purifier is that it comes with a single 3-in-1 microfilter cartridge. Insert the cartridge with the handle aligned at 9 o'clock. Gently push in and twist the handle to 12 o'clock. The dot should align with the lock icon. And now you can plug in your water purifier. For the initial run of your 3-in-1 cartridge, turn on your faucet and touch to select the purified water button. Let the water run through the cartridge until the water runs clear and purified, and wait until the LED light turns from orange to blue. Your Ecosphere faucet adapter comes with 2 different outlets, one for tap water and the other for purified water. Now this is the best water purifier that gives me clean, healthy and safe drinking water. Thanks for watching! Oh yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification just in case I post a new video. So stay tuned to my next video.